Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLS. Glimmering details, expert aerodynamics, and a richly cultivated interior set the next level of standards for luxury SUVs. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, height-adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, engine auto stop-start feature, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, external memory control, power tilting steering column, remote engine start, and twin-turbo V6 engine. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,